All right, what is up? What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I actually got a very special package suitcase style from our friends over at Olight. So I appreciate them for sending this out. This is a very nice, powerful flashlight spoiler, and we're gonna take a look at it. So let me know if you guys are interested in this. I'll leave as much information as I can. This is the Marauder Mini 2. All right, so like I said, this was sent out by Olight in this very nice packaging here. So I'm gonna take out all of this, even though it says README, because I just wanna see the flashlight itself. This is a nice, chunky, outdoor, heavy-duty flashlight. We got it in this nice, like, olive green color, and I'm gonna enjoy this. I think the kids will enjoy it too. Look at all those LEDs right here, and you have like a floodlight, a flashlight, and I want to say it's a red light, and I think it has a whole bunch of different modes. Gonna keep the case. It's a nice case. You also have a lanyard here, which doubles as a cable to recharge your light. So the light is rechargeable, and this lanyard is the cable built in, like so. Cool stuff, cool stuff. So it's so small, I didn't even see it right there. Heavy duty flashlight. I would love to use this outside. I do kind of live out in the middle of nowhere, and at night we have a floodlight, which is actually not working right now, that we need to look at. And I barbecue, so I'll set up like my Milwaukee rocket light. If we go out into the fields and stuff, you know, we need a flashlight. So that's where I'm kind of happy that Olight sent that over, and the kids will love it because the kids love exploring all corners of the fields out here. So they'll be able to get some use out of it as well. I just got to learn how to use it. So I know you got to unscrew this to remove, because there's a removable battery, and it has a film on it. There we go. And this is a 7,500 milliamp hour battery there. So the good thing is you can change that out if you need to. It looks like it works with their magnetic charging, but I don't think I have that in this package. You can see the connection points at the bottom. And so we put it in one of the modes. You can see the little LEDs will light up to let you know that it's on. And that specifically is the battery indicator on this side. Your brightness level is on this side. So you're able to manipulate the brightness before you even turn it on, which is kind of cool. And then you can kind of lower it, go all the way if you need to. That is a crazy light. It's a crazy spotlight in here. So cool. You got a dial for that, and then you got a little lever here. So you have all those settings that I mentioned, the two light settings, and then the red. Turn that on, and then go to, it's a spotlight, the middle one. Oh, what the heck? Oh, that is a side light that blinded me right now. So you have a light here that you can kind of see quite a bit. Let's turn off our light. So yeah, you have a light. Let me turn off all the lights. So I still have a backlight on this side, but if I turn on the flashlight here with that sidebar, you got a nice little reading light right here. And that is the brightest it goes. That's kind of cool. And that is the damn spotlight. So that's a That's a light right there. Looks like it's a light on a magnifying glass. And then you have a dip switch basically on this side, so you're able to go from that internal, if I can show it, that just internal spotlight, which is just the middle. You can turn that and it's going to light up the LEDs that you see all the way around. So that's a more normal flashlight right there, right? So pretty cool. Or you want spotlight specifically to, we kind of use these, no joke, to like a spotlight, because we have another light, but it's a lot bigger. So this is nice that it's compact. We actually use these to flag down DoorDash deliveries or Walmart deliveries or any of the services that we use, because they can never find the house out here in the middle of nowhere. So we will shine a spotlight over that they can see, because if you want to put into perspective, we're almost like 3 or 4 houses down from the actual street, but it's all field. So it's not that we're hidden behind houses or anything, it's just that is how far we are in from our house, all field, and then the main street. So comes in handy when you need to flag somebody down. This is a cool white, basically temperature, and you're gonna get anywhere from 50 lumens to 10,000 lumens. And you even have a moonlight feature, which is 1.5 lumens. So very crazy range on this kind of flashlight here, which again, like I said, is rechargeable. You got your little recharging USB-C port right there, which, like I mentioned, if you pull out the cable here, you're able to plug it in wherever you are. That gets hot. If you double press, it immediately goes to all the way, and then press and hold is moonlight, the 1 lumen, and it has like strobe mode, and I think that is about it. You have red light, like I mentioned, the side light, the little side light on the little light on the side that I showed, it goes from 5 lumens to 200 lumens, and it also has a moonlight of 0.5 lumens. The spotlight goes from 50 lumens to 1,350 lumens, which is the one that got hot. It got hot on my hand right now. Moonlight is 0.5 lumens. So that dip switch allows you to pick either or. If you leave it right in the middle, it actually turns on everything here. So you're gonna get the floodlight and the spotlight. And if you run those together, you get 100 to 8,000 lumens, and it varies, right? So I'm gonna leave that up for you guys to read if you want to pause and check that out. That is the Olight Marauder Mini 2. Like I said, really cool. I'll see if we use it outside on the weekends, just exploring around. I got to tell the kids to be careful with it though, but it comes in handy. It's pitch black here where I'm at, and that helps, like I said, flag down people as well. So I really love the green color here. And if you guys want any information on it, I'm gonna keep it in this nice case here. The lanyard is really cool, where it's a cable as well. So I'm gonna install that right now. But if you guys are interested, I will leave all the information down below so you guys can go look it up yourself, see if you get any deal on it. I'll try and leave like an Amazon link, and if they give me any discounts for you guys, I'll pass that along. So make sure you check that out down below. If you guys enjoyed the video, got something out of it, drop a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't yet, and appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys.